Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about if you are a healthcare professional and you want to migrate to Oman, which exam you need to write, or in order to get a license, what exam you need to clear for that particular thing. So let me tell you, if you are a nurse or a general practitioner or a pharmacist, or you are coming under any of the healthcare professional criteria or category, you need to write Oman Prometric examination, which is conducted by the Prometric centers on behalf of Ministry of Health in the Oman. So we know that there are different Prometric centers across the world. We have in India, we have in Pakistan, we have in UAE, we have in Qatar, we have in Oman. So in different places we have the Prometric centers. So these centers are conducting this Oman Prometric examination on behalf of the Ministry of Health in Oman. So now you will be having a doubt, what are the exam format, what syllabus I need to study, what is the other registration processes and all. We will be discussing that later, but let me tell you in brief what exactly you need to keep it in mind if you are a person willing to migrate to Oman. So first of all, you need to have a proper experience in your country. It can vary, depends upon your profession, because for a nurse having 2 years experience, maybe for a specialist you will be requiring 4 years of experience and all. But in general, I can say that you need to have a minimum of 2 years experience in your home country, plus you need to have a basic degree if it is MBBS or BSc nursing or diploma in nursing, especially 3 years of diploma in nursing. Then being a pharmacist, you need to have minimum of 2 years experience in your home country. You need to have a valid license in your home country, registration in your home country. So with all these things, you are going to do the data flow. Data flow is nothing but verifying your documents by the Ministry of Health in Oman. So once they check all these details, and they will be checking whether you are eligible to proceed with the examination. Then once you get a positive thing from the Oman Prometric Center, then what you can do is you can book for the Oman Prometric examination, which is almost similar like the DHA and DOH examination, but at the same time you need to keep certain points in your mind, especially when thinking about the syllabus and all, and the type of questions and the passing percentage and all. We will be discussing about each one in detail later, but this is just an overview about if you are a person planning to migrate to Oman or you want to have a career in Oman, especially. First thing is to have a proper degree, then about the documentation process, verification of your documents, and to have a proper experience in your home country, then clearing the examination, which is of the major concern everyone is having. How can I study, how much time it will take, what will be the exam cost, what will be the data flow cost, and if I have a gap in my experience, what will I do? So all these concerns you will be having, but here we are going to discuss one by one in the coming videos as well. And here let me confirm which exam you need to write, that is Oman Prometric examination, which is conducted by the Prometric Center on behalf of Ministry of Health. We know that in Dubai it is Dubai Health Authority, but in Oman it is Ministry of Health who is conducting this examination, and the Prometric test centers are conducting this on behalf of the Ministry of Health in Oman.